Squirrels are out there, darting around, frantically burying nuts in every nook and cranny they can find. It's a wild sight, isn't it? They're driven by an instinct that's been honed over millions of years. When winter comes, those buried treasures are their lifeline. This behavior isn't just cute, it's a survival strategy deeply embedded in their evolutionary psychology. Now let's pivot to humans. Remember the early days of the pandemic? Shelves stripped bare, people stockpiling toilet paper and canned goods as if the apocalypse was upon us. It's fascinating how similar our behaviors can be. Just like squirrels, we're hardwired to seek security, to prepare for uncertainty. This instinct is rooted in our brains. Neuroscience tells us that when we feel threatened, our brain activates the amygdala, triggering a fight or flight response. In times of crisis, this can manifest as hoarding or excessive saving. We're not just gathering resources, we're trying to create a sense of safety in an unpredictable world. But here's where it gets interesting. While squirrels bury nuts and forget where they've hidden them, actually helping to plant new trees in the process, humans have a choice. We can collect, hoard, or save, but we also have the power to decide how we channel that instinct. Some people turn to collecting as a hobby, finding joy in the hunt for rare items. Others might hoard out of fear, letting their possessions pile up until they feel overwhelmed. It's a spectrum, and understanding where we fall on it can help us navigate our behaviors more mindfully. From squirrels to humans, the drive for security is hardwired into our DNA. But unlike our furry friends, we have the ability to reflect on our actions and choose how we respond to that primal urge. So, the next time you find yourself reaching for that extra can of beans or scrolling through online marketplaces, ask yourself, am I preparing for a future, or am I letting fear dictate my choices? The power lies in our hands.